Hey guys, it's Marcus here. You might have heard of the famous astrologer Nostradamus, or today, ladies and gentlemen, I am Marcus Damus because I did a video yesterday explaining the dire state of the UK's economy and its financial situation. In the month of June, it borrowed £20 billion and it is paying 16 billion of that in interest alone. If that was your own household, you'd be like in a dire mess, okay? So, hear me out on this one. It's going to come to a point, I think, in the next year or so, where the UK and Rachel Reeves, the Chancellor, are going to have to run to the International Monetary Fund and ask for money, okay? Now, when that happens, that causes problems. And that will result in the British pound sterling taking a bad tumble. Now, when that happens, our imports that come into the UK can become more expensive. So you're going to have even more inflation. But to actually try and bring the pound back up, the Bank of England might have to raise interest rates. Okay? And what that means, it's going to become more expensive for people with their mortgages. And I think what you're going to have to see in the next year or two afterwards, following that, is you're going to have to see property prices dropping. In central London alone, there are price drops of 10 to 20% in some places like Kensington and Chelsea. It's going to be a very messy show. And you might actually see the reset of the pound sterling. And don't be surprised if our great friend Rachel Reeves and Keir Starmer turn around and say, hey, we're in a bit of a mess, but guess what? We're going to introduce this digital currency for you. And after that, they will have total control over you and me.